Hi, I'm Bill Atwood with Collins Education Associates. As a teacher of writing, I've often noticed that many students struggle mightily to master the basic rules regarding grammar, mechanics, and punctuation. You know what? I'm never sure whether it's because the students don't know the rules, or whether it's they don't have the energy to apply the rules, or maybe they've just developed really bad habits through constant texting where the rules don't even seem to apply. Heck, maybe it's all three. Whatever the case, we know that without regular focused practice with feedback, students will never master the basic editing skills needed for effective writing. So in this short video, I want to share a few ideas on how to reinforce essential conventions of writing, both in the classroom and in remote learning situations. Many teachers who use the Collins Writing Program also use Gary Chadwell's CheckMate folders. These easy-to-use reference guides explain the essential conventions and make it easy for students to check their writing. Many teachers also use our grade level posters. This one, for middle school students, reminds students about 7 essential rules for complete sentences, capitalization, commas, quotation marks, and so forth. These are great tools, but we all know that students need more practice applying these conventions in real situations. And for this purpose, in the Teacher's Resource Guide, you can find quick fix sentences for each grade level. Quick fix sentences provide the kind of practice learning experts say make the most difference. First of all, they're quick. Second, they're frequent. You can give them almost every day. Third, they're varied. So there's a variety of mistakes in each sentence. And finally, as an added bonus, the quick fix sentences are full of rich content from across the curriculum: science, math, geography, history, mythology. Well, let's take a look at how these sheets work. This one is a middle school level, and at the top you can see that the quick fix sentence rule applies is every sentence requires the first word to be capitalized, and it must have end punctuation. The theme for these sentences is physical science and mathematics. So as a bonus, kids are learning a little bit about science and math. Take a look for the middle part of the sheet. It has mixed practice. So here you have sentences about Isaac Newton and atoms, but there's a variety of editing rules in play. It tells the students what rules are in play. Let's see here. Rules 1, 2, 2A, and 3B. These are referenced back to the posters and the CheckMate folders where they can see what rules those are. Finally, on the sheet, there's an extended passage. This one has 13 fixes over 6 sentences and a whole range of rules. It's a lot like, remember Finding Waldo in those Where Waldo books? You know Waldo's in there. You just have to look carefully to find him. Well, if you can't find the quick fix sentence errors, you can always use the answer key. It will guide you to the kinds of mistakes that can be fixed easily. Well, how can you use these quick fix sentences in a regular classroom setting, and how can you use them in a remote learning situation? First of all, you could use them as part of a I do, we do, you do situation. First, project the sentences and then model how to fix them. In this one, we're looking at the rules for capitalization, titles, organizations, books, newspapers, magazines, and so forth, and here's the sentence. I saw a reprint of the original review of President Kennedy's book, Profiles in Courage, in the Boston Globe. It says there are 6 fixes. I would model, President Kennedy. That sounds like a title. I've got to capitalize the P and the K. Profiles in Courage. Oh, that's a title of a book. I got to capitalize the important words in that title. Profiles and Courage. Finally, Boston Globe. Sounds like a newspaper. Needs a capital letter for B and a capital G. 6 fixes. I'm done. Because it says 6 fixes, I'm getting the kind of immediate feedback that I'm looking for to know that I found them all. Once we've done one together, you could project a second one, and you could have students fix it by calling on them. Johnny, what are the 6 fixes in this sentence? Lastly, you can project sentences once they get the hang of it and do it as a do now. If you're in an online situation, it can be projected up. When students join the chat, they can right away get to work fixing the sentences on paper or in the chat area of an online platform like Zoom, Google Hangouts, or Schoology. If you want students to work independently, you can send a hard copy home, or you could have them send it electronically as a PDF, have them downloaded, printed, return it in person, by mail, or electronically. In the next video, I will show you how you can download the quick fix sentences, open them in a Google document, and allow students to edit them electronically. How do you get these sentences? Well, first of all, you can get a PDF of your grade level in all 20 sets for just $10 at this time. If you want a site license for your school, contact us at collinsed.com. Hopefully, with the quick fix sentences, your fears about students writing can be alleviated. You'll be able to get to sleep at night knowing they can write in complete sentences and they know how to use a quote. Good luck, Bill Howard exclaimed. If you have any questions, contact us at collinsed.com, and I hope you have a great day.